Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you top tricks on your headphones Turtle Beach Atlas Air. So let's get started with open the application, and I recommend to install the application to enable a lot of features here. And the first one, we have bass boost, like classic. I like it, I can't live without it, so it's okay for me and I hope it's okay for you also. Also, we have a huge options to create our preset here, so it's okay also. Next one, we have a lot of settings for microphone. We can change sensitivity, noise gate, micro monitoring volume. Also, we can create a preset for the microphone, and it's also hugest, so you can choose the best one for you. And but by default we have 4 presets here, so if you don't want to create it, you can just choose the best one for you and use it. And the last one, that we have we can change a volume of voice and tone prompts and auto shut off. It's okay. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.